Oh my god, what's with my face? Good morning, everyone. Yes, the week came really late, so I just fell asleep. That's it. Yeah, right now I want to go outside to find breakfast before the workshops. Today is also a really busy day. So yeah, see you around. I ate a really incredible breakfast. It was so big and I ate everything. I missed delicious food so badly, so yeah, right now I'm on the way to the hotel.
Take the back.
You want to stay here? I think we should go.
Yes, boss, I'm on my mind. I'll try to give you what you like.
Sell it to us.
Yes. This one, 700. This one only 700 too. $12, very cheap. In your country, this is $50.
In my country.
Yes, in your country.
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam, it's cheap. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know. Feel free. It's adjustable. You can adjust it, but it like this.
Wow, so
You can put
stylish.
your money, but if you don't have money,
don't need
just
this
put
anymore.
your hands. If you don't have money, just put it like this.
Put your hand.
Yes, put your hand. Oh, you buy it. Arigato.
Это вода.
I think it's a good idea to drink before the battle. Cheers. Oh. Oscaroida, Morisola Proparada, Lala Ratula, Ravilol Fernandez, G.R. Serrano, Alina.
Aussie.
That is lovely and Audie. I think I've given you a bad actor. Let's try that again. Oh, look at her. She looks like she's had a
What is going on? Oh my god.
You got your back against the wall. I can see by the way that you hold your head, and everything is your fault. When everything starts to heat, it's on you, 'cause you promised not to
Bottle is not beautiful.
Oh, okay.
fall. For it grew, you said you would promise me the car, it all. Now I feel things that we should promise you it all be good. But does this feel good to you? 'Cause you promised not to fall. Didn't you? Didn't you? Promise not to fall.
Oh, this is like a cheesecake.
What do you think?
I popped it with powder. It's very good, but powder.
Oh, really?
It's nice though.
Today is the last day of the battles, and I'm just watching the battles today because I didn't pass the battle yesterday. So yeah, here we go. We need to support all of this.
Y'all good? I just need to check the crowd right now. Y'all good on this side? I can't hear y'all. Come on now. Y'all good on this side? Yeah! How about on this side? Are you good? In 3, 2, 1, Golden Concrete!
Damn it. Cheers. Oh, cheers. Oni weszli wczoraj.
Give it up, man! Give it up. Yes, thank you to everyone, you know. All the countries, our friends, you know, I invited you. Sorry, bro. I just thank you before. Thank you very much for accepting my invitation. I know I cannot pay you, I cannot fly you, but you accepted our request to come to our country and support our movement. You guys are a big part of our movement. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming here and experiencing our country and for giving your energy to our community. Thank you so much.
She doesn't care. Người cho mọi người đỡ nóng.
Nè, chị dài quá. Đưa đĩa đây.
Ở đây giờ cũng thẳng ra rồi.